Hey everybody, Diane Hagerty, Grassroots Taxes. Today we're going to talk about the most Googled question about taxes, and that is, what's the tax bracket? I don't know. I don't think anybody knows what a tax bracket is. The most confusing thing ever, and even the IRS site doesn't really explain it, and I'm going to show you why. I went to the IRS website. I looked up the tax bracket page, and it looks like this. I'm going to pop it up here. Pop! 10% from 0 up to $11,925. From $11,925 to $48,000 is 12% and goes up. That does not explain what a tax bracket is. In fact, that's extremely misleading information because it is talking about taxable income. What's taxable income? Well, let me show you another thing. Let's show 1040 here. I'll pop this on the screen right now. Pop! See that? That's your total income at the top there. And then there's the standard deduction, and that is $15,750 for a single person this year. It's more for head of household and married. That first $15,750 isn't taxed at all. And then if you're self-employed, you get the qualifying business income deduction. And then you get the additional deductions. What's the additional deductions? On tip, no tax on tips, no tax on overtime, no tax on car interest, and the additional senior deduction is $6,000. And after all that comes up, let me pop this up again. Boop. Taxable income. So the first $15,000 is taxed at 0. Pop this back up. Boop. The first $11,925, if you made $11,925, you're in the 0% tax bracket. It's very misleading because it looks like if you made less than $11,000, you'd be in the 10% tax bracket. You're in the 0% tax bracket. The first $15,750 you make isn't taxed at all. It's only the next $11,900 above that. So if you made like $20,000, only the part over $15,750 is taxed at 10%. So not very much. If you made like $40,000, first $15,000 not taxed at first. Let's look at the math. First $15,750 is taxed at 0. The next $11,925 is still taxed at 10. It doesn't make all your taxes go up. And the remainder of that $40,000 is taxed at 12. It's not a flat tax. We do not have a flat tax. You can't just look at this and be like, oh, I made this much money and that's what I'm being taxed at. No, because you have to take into consideration all the deductions, all the adjustments to income. Taxes are complicated. They're crazy. There's 30,000 pages of tax code. Believe me, I've read it all, and I'm here for you. And if you have other tax questions, follow me. Watch all my videos. I talk about taxes, small business, money, and life, and I'll see you at tax time.